Hey guys, it's Ashley from Nitro Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Daily Goodie box. If you're not familiar with Daily Goodie, this is a completely free box that is sent out. Basically, they send you a bunch of items that match with your profile, because you'll fill out a little profile when you subscribe. And they will send you out a box if they feel like it's a good fit. And then after you receive the items, you try them out. And you just let them know what you thought of them. You give your feedback on the Daily Goodie website. I will link to Daily Goodie below, and I will link to all of the companies that I've also included in here. That not that I've included, that are included, but this is 100% $0. Zero. Zero, 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 zero. All right, so this is just a reminder to go and fill out your feedback. I do like that they do include many organic snacks and things like that in here. So right on top we have Congrats Hawaii. I feel like something was on here. All good. First aid to defend coral reefs from chemical sunscreen. So I would guess this would be a sunscreen. All good sports sunscreen. It's an SPF 30, so that's cool. I mean, like, it's winter here, and as you can see from my natural light, it's a little gloomy, but I still wear face sunscreen. All right, party time. These are little M&M'S that are labeled with happy birthday, which are cute. Only 3 colors. They do like personalized M&M'S, which I had them made for my kids a couple of Valentine's Days ago. They're really, really cool. Like, the kids thought that was awesome. Next, we have choice organic teas. We have the decaf black tea and decaffeinated Earl Grey. I'm going to pass that on to somebody else because I don't do decaf. But they do have their original Earl Grey, which I love Earl Grey, so I will definitely try that out. I'm excited for those. And I can always gift this to someone, which is really nice. All right, here we have Love Grown Fruity Sea Stars Dive Under the Sea with a colorful fruity cereal. This is gluten-free, 8 grams of sugar, navy, lentil, and garbanzo beans. I can trick my kids into eating something good. I like that. All right. I hope the volume's okay on this. I hope it's not too loud or too soft, or we'll find out. All right, I see vitamins. High potency vitamin C gummies. I will definitely take these. Especially, it's 'tis the season. You guys know I've had like this weird chest cold. Now, I know that vitamin C does not take away colds. It does, however, prevent. This is from Ecosafe. That's cool. Soy-free, gluten-free, gelatin-free, dietary supplement, dairy-free. So if you have sensitivities or you have diet, you know, you're vegetarian, vegan, whatever. All right, eat your coffee. Caffeinated snack bar. Salted caramel macchiato. That sounds so good. What's the calories on it? 170 in 1 bar. That's not too bad. I mean, I don't know if I'd eat the whole thing. I'd eat a small piece, but that looks really good. Keep it in your desk and stuff. There's a cup of coffee in every bar, too. That's what it says. All right, next up, we have this Rise Brewing Company Blood Orange Cold Brew Coffee. Ooh, no dairy, no GMOs, 7 ounces, serve cold. Is there sugar? Please don't be sugar. Don't be. There's some sugar. I want to eat it. I want to drink it, though. Tastes like tea. Best served cold or over ice. Caffeinates like coffee. I'm sorry I'm taking it off camera to read it. I do like the can. Cold brew is really popular right now. All right. Next, we have, ooh, what's this? Green Goo, 100%, 10%. I almost said Asheli. 100% all natural first aid. This helps relieve symptoms of dry, cracked hands and feet. I'm gonna actually open this. Right? Like I just, oh, it's like a balm. So that's what it is. I was like, what is in here? So it's like a green salve, basically. Ooh, it smells. Ooh, it smells herbal. I love that. So what's in it? Does it say? So it replaces 20 first aid products. Oh, there's calendula. I'm going to show you this and read off the card. Calendula herbal infusion, sunflower oil, chickweed, which is great for poison, plantain, comfrey, yarrow, myrrh, sage, and St. John's wort, which I take St. John's wort just for well-being or whatever. So then we have softer than brittle, cashew brittle. Why'd they send me this? I'm trying to be so good on my diet, but these boxes do not help. This is a 2-ounce bag. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Ooh, it's vegan. How do they make it all buttery and good? This is serving size is 1 ounce. There's 120 calories. So in here we have peanuts, corn syrup, sugar, cashews, baking soda, natural flavor, sea salt. Ooh, I want to try these. All right, down here on the bottom we have a coupon for the M&M'S, a coupon for the Eat Your Coffee, and a coupon for the First Aid, but I think that's for, those are for like Daily Goodie subscribers. So let me know what you think of this box down below. Have any of you guys received a Daily Goodie box? I'd love to hear about it. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.